Hello students, welcome to this lecture on mensuration, and here we will be continuing our exercises. Okay, on mensuration. We discussed various questions on the previous lecture, and here we will be continuing to solve our questions. Let's solve with me. So our first question says that if the sides of a triangle are 10 centimeter and 24 centimeter and the 26 centimeter, then find out the area and the longest altitudes. First of all, let me do a rough sketch so you have some idea what we are talking about. So I have 10 centimeter, one side is of 10 centimeter, another is 24 and another of is 26. So let's say it is 26, this is, let's say this is 26 and it is 24. I hope this is clear. So we have to find out the area. So by using Heron's formula, we can find out the area very easily. But for this term that we have to find out the longest altitude. So altitude means the height. If you see in this rough diagram, if you draw altitude from this as my base, the 26 side as my base, the height or the altitude is like just this small length, and with 24 as my base, the altitude is still the small as compared to the altitude. If my base is like if my base is of 10 centimeter, and if I draw the perpendicular on this side to the line, the vertex opposite to that side, this will be my longest altitude. I hope this is clear why this is my longest altitude, because if you drew a rough diagram for this triangle, you can easily see that from this as my base and this as my vertex, and I join them by a perpendicular line, then this height will be my longest. Okay, so first of all, find out the area by Heron's formula. So S is my, what will be my S is 26 plus 24 plus 10, which is equals to 26 plus 24 is 50, 60 by 2, which is equals to 30. Now using Heron's formula, 30 minus 26 is 4, 30 minus 24 is 6, and 30 minus 10 is 20. So now let's make pairs to remove root. So 30 can be rewritten as 3 times of 10, 4 can be written as 2 times 2, 6 can be rewritten as 3 times 2, and 20 can be rewritten as 2 times 10. If you see, there is one pair of 3, 2 pairs of 2, and 1 pair of 10. So from each pair I can take one number out, and there will be nothing left over inside the root. So my value is 3 times 10 times 2 times 2. So 3 from this pair, 10 from this pair, 2 from this and this pair. Okay, so the final answer or the area is equals to this will be 30, and this is 4 times 30 is equals to the 30 times 2 is 60, 60 times 2 is 120 centimeter square. So the area for this triangle is 120 centimeter square. Okay, and now using the other formula, the half times the base is now my 10 times the height. We have to find out the height. I am taking as h, and which is equals to 120. Now just solve for h to get the value of the height or the longest altitude, which is h is equals to 120 times 2 by 10, which is equals to the 12 time 120 times 2 is 240 by 10, which is of equals to the 24 centimeters. I hope this is clear to you, because the main thing was to just drew a rough diagram and understood what we are taking as my base to find out the longest altitude. Okay, so let's move to next. I hope this is clear. So 120 was my area and 24 centimeter was my height. Okay, so now let's move to next. So now this question says two sides of a triangular field. So my triangular field is like this. Always make a rough diagram to solve such questions. Rough diagram. So two sides of my triangular field is 85 and 154. So let's say this is my 85, this is my 184. Okay, and the perimeter is given to us, which is of equals to 3 to 4, and we know perimeter is the sum of all sides. So perimeter in triangle is equals to sum of all sides, which is equals to 85 plus 154, and this side say is equals to a. Okay, so plus a, and we know the perimeter, which is equals to 3 to 4. Now solve it. So 3 to 4 is equals to, which is of 9. This is add to 9, this is add to 3, and this is 1. So 1 3 9. So 5 4 is 9, 5 8 is 3, and 1. So plus a, and now the value for a is 3 to 4 minus 1 3 9. So 3 to 4 minus 1 3 9, 3 to 4 minus 1 3 9, which is equals to the, here it is 5, here it is 8. Okay, so the value is 85. I hope this is clear to you, because 139, the 85, which is 4 1 2 1, which is equals to what, which is equals 2 to 3. Okay, so the here is 1. Okay, so 3. I hope this is clear to you. So the 185. Okay, so the here it is 1 8 of sorry, this is my 2. I think I'm doing the calculation error. So 4 here, this and this will become 9, this and this will become 13, and 1 is already here. So applying the carry, it is 2. Yes, so 2, and then this will be my 85. Let me correct here. So this is my 239. Now it is 85. Sorry for the error. Now what? Okay, I hope now this is clear. 3 to 4, 2 3 9 is equals to 85. Okay, now my a is 85. Now using the Heron's formula, I will get my area. So now using Heron's formula, my sides are 85, 85 and 154. Yes, 85, 85 and 154. Now using Heron's formula, 85 is A, B is also 85, and 154 is my C. So S will be my, as the semi-perimeter is 85 plus 85 plus 154 divided by 2, which is, we know what it is, 170. 154 by 2, and this is by adding is 4, 5 and 7 is 12, and 1 1, and there's another one which is 3 to 4 by 2, which is equals to 162. I hope this is clear. Now applying in the formula, 162 minus 85, 162 minus 85, and 162 minus 154. So solving for this, what I will I will get is here it is 8. Okay, here it is 8 and 162.85 is 12 minus 5 is equals to 7, and here remains the 5. So 15 of 5 is equals to the 8. Okay, so 15, sorry, the 15 and 5. So 15 and 15. So here is my 15 and 8 is my 7. Okay. So because 85, 77 is 12, 1. Okay. So 77. So it is 77 here, 77 here. Okay. I hope this is clear. As this is my pair, I can take out from the root. So 77 taking out. Inside 162 is there. I can rewrite 162 as what? Let me factorize it. So 162 2 times, which is 81, and it is 999. Okay, so it is 2 times 9 times 9, and 8 can be rewritten as 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, if you see, one pair of 9 and two pair of 2s. So taking each number from each pair, I'll have 77 times 2 times 9 times 2, which is equals to, so 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 77. So 77 times 4 times 9, 77, 4, which is equals to this. Okay. So, and now 308 times 9 is just easy. So 308 times 9 is what it is, the 72. Yes. And this 93 is 27. So 2772. Okay. So I hope this is clear. So the area is 2 for the field. I hope this is clear to you. And the second part for the question is to find the length of the perpendicular from the opposite vertex on the side measuring 154. So this is my side measuring 154, and there is my opposite vertex here. So I have to find out this part or length of this line, and this line is such that this makes a 90-degree angle. That means I have to find out the height as this my base. So using the just formula, so I'll use half times base times the height. Now this means 2 times 2, 772 by 154 is equals to my height. So this is what it is equals to, is this, and I already knew that the 2772 is this 77 times 4 times 9, which is, so I can rewrite as h is equals to 77 times 4 times 9 by 77. 77 gets cancelled, so 9 times is just 36. So h is my 36. I hope the calculations were very easy for you to solve. So the area was 277 centimeter square, and the height is just, there must be not centimeter square, it is just 36 centimeter. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now let's move to next. In this question, the sides of a triangular field are 165, 143 and 154, and we have to find out the cost of plowing at 12 paise per centimeter square. I hope you understand the question. I have given a triangular field with sides 165, 143, 160, 154. Okay, and I have to find out the cost of plowing. So if a worker charges 12 paise per 1 centimeter square. Okay, then at then how much he be charging for this triangular field? That means we have to find out the area. As the centimeter square is given, that means he charges 12 paise per 1 centimeter square of area. That means if a worker work on a field of 1 centimeter square area, and then he charges just 12 paise. So if we find out the area for this triangular field and then multiplying with this number 12, we will get the paise that he charges for this field, and then we change it into rupees. Okay, because in 1 rupee we have 100 paise. You can either answer in paise or you can answer in the unit of rupees. Okay, so let's solve it. So just use Heron's formula. So for Heron's formula, S will be my 165 plus 143 plus 154 divided by 2. Just add them. So 4, 3 is 7. 7 and 5 is 12. So it is 2. Okay. Now 5, 4 is 9. 9 and 6 is 9 and 6 is 15, and there was 1, 15 and 16. So 1. Now 1, 1, 1 is 3 and 1 is 4, which is equals to 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. I hope the semi-perimeter is equals to 2, 3, 1. Now S is equals to 2, 3, 1. So 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1 minus 165, 165, 2, 3, 1 minus 154, 154, and 2, 3, 1 minus 140, 143. I hope these all numbers are correct. Okay, now what? Now 2, 3, 1. Subtract. Now let's just do some subtraction, as we do not want our errors in our calculation. So it is 6 and 12. It is 66 here. And for this 2, 3, 1 and 1, 4. It is, I think it is the 11, 7, the 12, 7, the 77 here, and it would be for 2, 3, 1, 1, 4, 3. It is, I think, the 88, because 1, 4, 3, 88 is equals to 1. Here 12, 13. Here is 2, 3, 1. Yes, 88. Okay. So I hope the subtraction is clear to you. Now let's see. Just take out the pairs from this root. So rewriting as 2, 3, 1 as, and 66 as 11 times 6, 77 as 7 times 11, and 88 as 8 times 11. So now the 2, 3, 1 can also be rewritten as 11 times 21. 21 times 11 is 1, 2, 1, 2, which is 2, 3, 1. Yeah. Clear? Okay. Now it is I know that I have two pairs of 11. One is this pair and second is this pair. So taking out 11 from root to 11, because from each pair I took one 11 out. Now the remaining terms are 21 times 6 times 7 times 8. I can rewrite 21 as 3 times 7. Now I have one pair of 7, so I am also taking 7 out. So here 7 times 11. So now I know 6 is 3 times 2. Take 3 out. Now 3 inside. It is 2 times 8, and 2 times 8 is 16, and 16 is 4 times 4. So taking this 4 times 4 out, so it will be just 4 outside. So this will be my final answer for the area. So it will be in centimeter square. I hope this is clear to you. Now my area is this. Okay, now my area is this, and we know a worker charges 12 paise for 1 centimeter square, and I have so many centimeter square, so just multiply. So 12 times 7 times 11 times 11 times 3 times 4 paise he will charge for that triangular piece. Okay, and to convert it in money, to convert it in rupees, just convert, as we all know that 1 paise is equals to 1 by 100 rupees. So 12 times whatever the number was, so the 12 times 7 times 11 times just divide it by 100 to get your answer in rupees. Okay, I hope this is clear to you, as 1 paise is equals to 1 by 100 rupees, or you can say that 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. Okay. So let's move. So you will find your answer to be equals to this 1219.68 rupees. Okay, so the answer is given to us in rupees. Okay, just remember this. Now let's move to the next question, as the next question says that the base of an isosceles triangle measures to be 80 centimeter and its area is 360. So area is equals to 360 centimeter square, and the base is equals to 80 centimeter. We have to find out the perimeter. So we know in isosceles triangle two sides must be equal. That's why it is called isosceles triangle. And we know base is 80. Yes. And taking other two sides A, and because it is an isosceles triangle, this implies the another side must be A also. So, and we know the perimeter is sum of all sides, A plus 80 is equals to our perimeter. That means 2A plus 80 is equals to our perimeter. So finding out the value for A, if we have A, if A is equals to something, then we will put it here, here, and we will get our perimeter. So let's find out the A value. So how we are going to find out? Because we know the all sides and the area. So just use the Heron's formula here. So Heron's formula says, because my sides are A and 80, and S will be A plus 80 by 2, which is equals to 2A plus 80 by 2, which further equals to A plus 40. And I know 360 is my area. 360 centimeter square is my area, which is S. If you remember the S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Don't confuse A, B, C, because just recall the formula. Let me recall you so that you do not get confused. So side 1, side 2, side 3, and S or the perimeter is side. I am writing side 1 as let me write side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 divided by 2, and this means the area for this triangle by Heron's formula is equals to this semi perimeter. So let me write. So this is a semi perimeter times semi perimeter minus side 1 semi perimeter minus side 2 and multiply with semi perimeter minus side 3. I hope this is clear to you. So this means for here semi perimeter is A plus 40. So the semi perimeter is, I am using A plus 40 wherever semi perimeter is. So A plus 40 here, A plus 40 here, A plus 40 here, and A plus 40 here. Now what are my sides? Sides are A, and AT. So let's write. So side 1 is my A, side 2 is also my A, and side 3 is my AT. So now just solve it. So A plus 40 minus A, both A gets cancelled. The only term remaining is 40. Here A also gets cancelled, and here A plus 40 minus 80 is equals to minus 40. Minus 40. So in total what we have is A plus 40, A minus 40 and 40 times 40. I have two pairs of 40, so 40 can be taken out like this, and we know it is equals to of 360, and 360 upon 40 is equals to root of A plus 40, A minus 40. Solving this will be 40. This is just 9. So 9 is equals to A plus 40 and A minus 40, and we know A square minus B square is equals to A minus B and A plus B. So using this and this, if you see, here is my A. If let's see, here is my A, here is my B, and the plus sign is there, plus sign is here. Here is my A, here is my B, and the minus sign is here. So by using this identity, I can rewrite it as A square minus 40 square, and by squaring both sides, I will get the 81 is equals to A square minus 40 square. Okay, now what? Just simplifying. So 81 minus 16, sorry, the plus 1600, that means 1681 A square. So 8 is root 1681. So just what will be this root? It is of like I think is 20, say 17, 19. if you see that 20 square is equals to 400, yes, and 30 square is equals to 900, but we need something like 1600 and we are just at 900. So if you apply 40 square is 1600, yes, we are reaching near to this point. Then if you see 41 times 41, which is this, so this is 168. Yes, so 41 will be our answer. So A is 41. So our value for A is equals to 41. So by applying here, we will get our perimeter. So perimeter is equals to 2 times 40 plus 80, which is 80 plus 80, which is equals to 160 centimeters. Okay, I hope you understood all the concepts or all the steps here. So the final answer would be my 160 centimeter. Okay, I think I have done again some calculation. Okay, so let me check for the calculation, as the my A is 41. Sorry, the A was 41, not 40. So A is equals to the 41. A is 41. That means 82. That means 162. Okay. So I hope the answer is clear to you. Just be careful doing calculations. As you saw, I just mistook the value of A. Okay, so just be careful while calculating. So 162 as our perimeter. So I hope this all was clear to you, and thank you for here.